innovation ecosystem. Goa has always known to the world for its hospitality, culture, and natural beauty. However, today Goa is steadily emerging as something far greater, a destination for innovation, digital creativity, and the future for a workforce in India. The concept of Shakathon is a simple yet transformational. Why should innovation remain confined to the concrete buildings and office cubicles where technology today allows talent to work from anywhere? Why can Goa not become the preferred destination where professionals build global products while experiencing the unmatched lifestyle and creative energy of this state? This initiative seeks to create a completely new culture in the country, a culture where technology professionals, AI developers, designers, creators, and entrepreneurs can work from Goa's beaches, collaborate in an open, creative environment, and contribute to the thriving digital economy while enjoying the unique Goan way of life. The long-term economic potential of this model for Goa is immense. Events like this Shakathon can help attract high-value talent, startups, remote workers, digital creators, and technology companies to Goa. This creates opportunities for local entrepreneurship, tourism innovation, tourism-linked innovation, co-working ecosystem, hospitality, scaling, and employment generation, thereby contributing significantly to Goa's evolving knowledge economy. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and Honorable Minister for IT, Shri Rohan Khote, Goa is actively positioning itself as India's creative capital and a preferred destination for a digital and innovation economy. Through initiatives like AI, startups, digital infrastructure, data centers, and skilling and connectivity, the state is building an ecosystem where innovation and quality of life coexist seamlessly. The vision behind the Goa Shackathon also resonates strongly with the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's emphasis on democratization of technology and AI, where innovation is not limited to few cities or large corporations, but also becomes accessible to every creator, startup, developer, and entrepreneur across the country. Goa Shackathon reflects this very idea by democratizing the future of work itself. Today, technology enables people to work from anywhere, and Goa offers a unique environment where creativity, productivity, and quality of life together naturally. Over the next 2 days, participants will engage in insightful discussions of AI, future technologies, digital creativity, and the future of work. More importantly, this event is about collaboration, networking, ideation, and building a community that believes in work and life can coexist in harmony. The Department of Electronics and Communication, Information Technology, Electronics and Communication remains fully committed towards creating a world-class digital infrastructure. High-speed connectivity becomes the foundation of a larger national movement and positions Goa as a destination where innovation meets inspiration. Once again, I extend my warm welcome to all of you. I wish you have a productive, inspiring, and a memorable experience in Goa Shackathon. Thank you and enjoy the Shackathon.
Well, we'd like to say a very, very big thank you, sir. Kabir Shirgaonkar, your Director, Department of Information Technology, Electronics, Communications, Goa. Well, to members of the delegate, family and friends, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like your attention to the screen to our left, and I request our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, to please. So as instructed, thank you very much, sir, for your insight. I'm going to, in a traditional watering of the Tulsi plant, which is the center of symbolism and prosperity, I request our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, to kindly please water the Tulsi plant, followed by our dignitaries on the dais. Please, with a round of applause, everybody. Thank you, Shri Rohan County and Shri Michael Lobo. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. The plant, which centers around purity, devotion, protection, prosperity, and healing. Thank you very much. Thank you to all our dignitaries on the dais. And at this moment, Chief Minister, sir, we're going to do a quick countdown. We request for you, sir, if you can just point it towards the television. So here we go, your attention to the screen, everybody. Work from Goa, they say. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
While other cities made me chase creativity, Goa made it a part of my routine. I always wanted Goa to become a part of my life. Working from here was always my dream. But meetings and deadlines had always kept me pulling away. And then, one fine day, I realized life and work were definitely meant to be together. Of peace. It's nature, heritage, culture. It's an emotion.
Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Goa.
And for the first time in a long, long time,
ladies and gentlemen, Shri Mangresh Salelkar.
First of all, excellent initiative. When we talk about hackathons, we usually talk about coding. But I think we have redefined the word hackathon here. We're talking about more about making it as an innovation laboratory. I think we are talking about think beyond just connecting tech to the nature, software to the sea, and technology to tourism. The best part about this is we're talking about startups here. Sir spoke about sea, sand, and if that is really happening, then I think Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant will be wholeheartedly happy to invite you all, create spaces. Our really loving IT minister, who is always one call away, he will be more than happy to create spaces for you to set up your shops here. Let's look at Goa differently. Let's not just look at talking about Goa in terms of tourism. Let's talk technology, and that is changing. The vibes are on, and I'm sure things will get better with Mr. Rohan Kaute in his ministry, and empowering him is our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Thank you very much, guys.
Well, we'd like to say thank you. Thank you, Mr. D.S. Prashant, CEO, Startup and IT Promotion Cell.
Well, connection, great connectivity, which is even better than the average in India. Co-working spaces, I think plenty of other technological groups as well, and the co-working space. What else do we need in Goa? And all of these powered by all of the gentlemen that we have in Goa, which is leading this entire show to promote Goa as one of the leading destinations, not in just India, but Asia. We stand here to contribute, and it calls for efforts from all of you to promote Goa, not just as a technocrats, but as a community together to drive a mission, which is not Shushagat. It is Shushagat AI. Coined as, Goa yeah, it's Shushagat AI. That what we need to really coin ourselves with. Which is open to public, every individual who's driving and thinking about Goa, right from someone who is in Goa to someone who's settled in US, and we need to take feedback from everyone. And all of these, and we have another policy which is obviously the social media, which again, it's off the topic here, but Goa has been one of the top 5 states to actually go into formulate these policies. I think that deserves a round of applause from everyone in the right direction, which is very important. We talk about missing bus, we haven't missed the bus. The very fact that on a Thursday all of us are sitting here and talking about IT clearly defines that the IT bus is never missed. It's here, it's driving, it's thriving. So it calls efforts from everyone. So firstly, let's look at impacting Goa, positioning Goa as an AI hub. I think this is just a start, many more things to come. So thank you so much for patiently listening to me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Fantastic. We'd like to say thank you. Thank you very, very, very passionate address, Shri Pradyot Mainkar, founder of So Fuel. At this moment, my dear friends, we'd like to felicitate a few very important people that are making a difference right here. I request for our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly felicitate the following who are part of the Mahila Sashaktikaran Abhiyan. The Mahila Sashaktikaran Abhiyan, and she is, I'd like to call upon Srimati Vidisha Bugade and Srimati Subha Satardekar to kindly come forward and accept our mementos for the yeoman work that both of them are doing for our Mahila Sashaktikaran Abhiyan. Can I please have them right up here? Srimati Vidisha Bugade and Srimati Subhi Satardekar. For the last 3 years, they've been actively contributing towards digital inclusion and women empowerment by helping citizens, especially women. Give them a round of applause, everybody, to access digital and government services with confidence. Here they are, Srimati Vidisha Bugade and Srimati Subhi Satardekar. Vidisha Bugade and Subhi Satardekar, reinforcing the idea of that beautiful scheme, Mahila Sashaktikaran Abhiyan. Well, here they come by, Srimati Subhi Satardekar. At this moment, we'd also like to felicitate 3 wonderful people, ladies, who run the Citizen Service Center and are being trained in 3D printing. They are 3D printing trainees. Can I please invite Srimati Sujata Shirodkar? Please come forward. Srimati Pratibha Tilve and Srimati Santoshi Gauss Desai to come forward. These hard-working women have been trained to start off their own businesses and are being trained in 3D printing. Can I have all 3 to come up together, please? Okay. This stand. Once again, I'd like to say congratulations to Srimati Sujata Shirodkar, Pratibha Tilve, and Santoshi Gauss Desai. Well, these 3 are women of substance. Congratulations to them. everybody give them a round of applause. Our three women of substance, Sujata Shirodkar, Srimati Pratibha Tilve, and Srimati Santoshi Gauss Desai. Deborikarum. We now call upon the founder members who we like to felicitate of Creative Community of Goa, Shri Deepak Patania and Srimati Darpana Atale. Can I please have you right here? Deepak Patania is the Chief Design and Innovation Officer at Seahorse Air Limited. He is a graduate of the National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, and has worked across design, technology, mobility, and innovation-led initiatives. Thank you for your yeoman service, Mr. Deepak Patania. At this moment, we'd like to call upon Darpana Atale. Darpana Atale is a co-founder of Sarvaswa Designs Private Limited, a multidisciplinary design studio established in 2005. And ladies and gentlemen, the next person who we'd like to needs no introduction. Takes the beach to the world, everybody. Life is beautiful right here in Goa. Who are we talking about? Pele, please come forward. In your own little style, right from the beach, he takes Goa to the world, inspiring them, everybody. The wonderful Pele. Life is good, that's what he says, his tagline. So, just your strap line, sir. Tell everybody only the strap line.
No, I want to say thanks for, big man is here. I want to thanks for my all Goan people and Indian people. Thank you very much, sir, CM Saab, amge MLA and Tourism Minister, Rohan County. Thanks for giving me this award. First, I say, today I am very happy, CM putting fisherman casti dress. Thank you very much. You should understood how fishermen are pain in the hot sun. All I am asking you, here our beach MLA, head of the Goa state is CM, and this is our tourism minister. I am all asking on this stage, as CM is our CRZ minister too. All the fishermen, you should give relaxation for their house. Are you agree before 2027? Are you going to do this?
Yes, it is definitely provision is there, and we'll protect all the fishermen's house. Don't worry about that.
Thank you, sir. Every day. And this Baba, work from the shack. This Goa Shackathon, the fishermen been doing this since they are born. We work on the beach, we sleep on the beach, we eat on the beach. And today our Prime Minister bring this new event. It's good about him. But please do good for Goa, good for our India. Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Goa.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The outspoken Pele. Thank you very much. So here we go, everybody. Thank you very much to all. Start off by calling upon the Honorable MLA of Kalangut and the Chairman of the Goa State Infrastructural Development Corporation, Shri Michael Ober, sir, kindly address the wonderful gathering.
Goa Shackathon, which has just been inaugurated by our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Rohan County Tourism Minister and IT Minister, the directors, all the dignitaries who are present over here. The call from the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Ji Modi, was work from home. Our Chief Minister and our IT minister said work from Goa. And I think it is very catchy for the people of India who come to Goa for holiday. It's not only holiday. Come with your laptops, work in Goa, work on the beach shack, in private restaurants, work in the hotel, work from the new space which will be created by Department of Tourism in all the shacks. There's a big job ahead with us for the coming season. And from now on, to give good connectivity to the people of Goa and people of India who will want to come and work over here, work from the beach shack, and also work in private restaurant. Definitely, we will make workspaces. We will give a new a platform to our startups, to our young boys and girls who want to start the startups in their cafes, in their beach shacks, a small space over there to work with cubicles and yet enjoy the sounds of the sea, the beautiful beach, and also do a lot of water sports and other activities. Yes, not only on the beach front, but also in the interiors of Goa, where we have good farms, where we have Goan cuisines being served in the remote areas of Goa. I think we are on the right track, on the right direction, and our Honorable Chief Minister will make all the infrastructure which is required through us, through the Department of IT, through GSIDC. We will see that all this area, the beach belt and also in the interiors of Goa, all the infrastructure which is required for this new innovation, for this new platform which the Honorable Chief Minister and Rohanji Kaunte has promised to give the people of Goa and India. Definitely all the infrastructure will be made available by the government of Goa, and all you people who are sitting right in front of me, you are the torch bearers for this new beginning for Goa. I wish you all the best, and be part of us to take it forward and to give the best to the tourists, and also the people who want to come and work over here, work from home, work from the beach shack, work from the coastal belt of Goa. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you so much, Sri Michael Lobo, the chairman of the Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation. Family and friends, he leads from the top. I now call upon this address to the gathering by the Honorable Minister for Tourism, IT, Printing and Stationery, the Government of Goa. Ladies and gentlemen, Sri Rohan Kaunte, sir.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, my friend, the MLA of Kalangut constituency and the Chairman of JSIDC, Shri Michael Lobo, Secretary IT, Shri Santosh Sukhdeva, Director IT, Shri Kabir Shirgaonkar, DS Prashant, CEO Startup and IT Promotion Cell, Praveen Olodkar, MD ITG, Kuldeep Arolkar, MD GTDC, all other dignitaries present of the days, founders, captains of the industry, innovators, startups, my friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, to all our friends who have traveled from across the country to be here today, a very warm welcome to Goa. I hope this experience over this next 2 days truly shows you what our state is capable of offering beyond the normal, usual tourism itinerary. There's a wonderful quote I would like to share. The business of travel is to bring back the focus of what is essential. For years, Goa has exactly been that, a place where people come to hit the pause button, look at the ocean, and find focus. We are famously known for our sun, sand, sea. We are known for our lifestyle. We are known for our culture. And all that of Goa is always captured in Bollywood, in the films that you see, and in postcard as memories. But beyond this, there's a new Goa that is emerging. With technology and flexible work models, how and where people work is changing. Goa is proud to be one of the India's early movers in enabling this remote work ecosystem and shaping what the future of work can look like. Goa today is fast becoming a vacation destination in the country. We are seeing an incredible influx of digital nomads and remote professionals who are making Goa their base. There's also a massive surge in long-term stays along with co-working and co-living spaces expanding as far as Goa is concerned. What's more, professionals and co-hubs like Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi are shifting their desks here because they are realizing that the inspiration doesn't happen in a gridlocked traffic jam. It happens when you have room to breathe. As Michael said, under the honorable leadership of our visionary Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, Goa is aligning itself with a broader vision of a digitally empowered and innovation-driven India. Through initiatives that are rooted in Digital India, Startup India, and future-ready governance, Goa is contributing to India's larger ambition of becoming a globally technology and innovation hub. Our vision for Goa is closely connected to the vision for India, where innovation is inclusive, technology improves quality of life, and young entrepreneurs are empowered to create solutions not just for local challenges, but for national and for a global impact. Our startup ecosystem is thriving. As of today, we have close to 793 DPIIT startups registered as far as Goa is concerned. And very importantly, out of them, 370 are women-led startups. And the whole part, the nation is taking notice. It's a matter of great pride that the whole state of Goa was conferred with the Best Performer Award for developing a strong startup ecosystem under the State Startup Ecosystem Ranking Category B at the National Startup Awards in New Delhi. Through startup policies, innovation hubs and institutional support, we're empowering ourselves, startups, creators and technology innovators to grow from Goa and compete globally. At the same time, we strongly believe that technology-led growth must be inclusive and accessible to every section of the society. Today, we have had felicitation of our sisters from under the Mahila Digital Shakathon. They have been empowering the women in the rural area, ensuring that digital empowerment happens in the last part of the society. We have had people like Deepak Patania who have been contributing to the startup ecosystem being felicitated. At the same time, the whole work for Drone Didi being creating for the agri-tech and tourism tech, especially keeping that in mind, are being trained so that we are encouraging women-led participation in such emerging technologies. And at the same time, the AI policy, the final draft is ready. I think we should be able to take it ahead in the second quarter of this particular year, making one of the first states in the country to come up with a full-fledged AI policy, which has been done with the help of the industry and the academia put together, making it one of the best future-looking policies as far as the country is concerned. Today we are here at the Shakathon. Everybody has spoken about Shakathon. It was an idea which came up in my last tenure. Post-COVID, we used an opportunity out of adversity, and we said work from home. After COVID, became work from Goa. And we made it hashtag Vacation Goa. And with that hashtag Vacation Goa, we started focusing on the niche areas, especially with Industry 4.0. We wanted to not get into the whole competitive models of Bangalore, Hyderabad and other areas, but get into the niche areas where community-driven and very important designer and creative community is taken care of. I can today proudly say that Goa has shaped up with the contribution of a lot of people in this fraternity, making it a niche area. And looking at it in terms of further, I think this is a time for us to create that particular double impact. Our Prime Minister's thought during the war has been another opportunity for all of us. Domestic tourism in the state has already been thriving. People who have stopped holidaying abroad have started looking at options within the country, and Goa is definitely a preferred destination. How we can make that particular story, making them work out of Goa, stay in Goa, holiday in Goa with their families, at the same time create this ecosystem, that was quite a challenge. Goa Shackathon has been creating awareness. Today, as they sit on the beach, they do some problem solving, they create an ecosystem. I think this will be a very strong message to the whole country. We are different. We have absolutely everything that is there, but never been showcased. In the last 4 years, we have been trying to do it through tourism. Now technology allows us to complement each other and take it one step ahead. So imagine all the budding startups here, the innovators here, the founders here, who have been coming here, and to your friends who have not been here. Imagine yourself working out of the beach shack, having a beer, eating a chicken kafrial and a fresh farishad fish, taking a time off, going for some water sports, coming back, sitting back and doing your work. I think the whole culture is changing. And I'm very happy with the guidance and the help of the Chief Minister. We have been able to get some dream. I had it as a dream. We had a vision. We wanted to make it a reality. And I think the thing has started. This thought process will be very inclusive, where our brothers who are from the shacks, the water sports brothers, everybody will have some contribution to the economy from the people who will be coming to participate and contribute to the digital economy. I heartily congratulate all the participants who have been felicitated today through our Chief Minister. At the same time, the budding startups who are going to be here for today and tomorrow, wish you guys all the best. Put in your efforts. I think there's a long story for Goa as far as the IT system, ecosystem is happening. As the season starts in September, new stories will unfold and each one of you will be a part of that story making. Let us make it happen. I think we can. And when we say unwind, relax, unwind and repeat, the message says it all. Let us enjoy Goa. Let us enjoy our work. Let us make the new culture happening and let us contribute to the IT ecosystem as far as Goa is concerned. Thank you. Dev Bare Karu. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
Shri Rohan County, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. He leads from the front with his innovative ideas, and yes, Shakathon amongst his brainchild. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, a man who has vision for Goa and taking Goa to the world, our very own Honorable Chief Minister of Goa to address us. Put your hands together for Shri Pramod Sawantji.
Good afternoon, friends. Goa Shackathon 2026. Along with me, the IT Minister, Mr. Rohan Khaute, the MLA Kalangut Michael Lobo, Secretary for the IT, Santosh Sukhdeva, Director Kabir Shetgaonkar, our industry leaders, partners, participants present here today. I'm happy to be here amongst the founders, creators, entrepreneurs, and the young mind gathered here for the Goa Shackathon 2026. I congratulate Honorable Minister Mr. Rohan Khaute and entire team of the IT department for the organizing this season Goa Shackathon 2026. This gathering understands the one important change taking place across the world. The young people today do not think about the careers the same way the previous generation did. The work has changed. The aspirations have changed. The people are no longer searching only for job. The many are building the ideas, creating the brands, starting the ventures, and choosing the careers that gives the purpose and the freedom together. The government also has to move with that change. For many years, the people looked at the Goa and saw as a destination. Today, the Goa is in preparing for the people to see is a possibility. Tourism will continue to remain one of the biggest pillars of our economy. The last year, the Goa welcomed approximately the 1.8 crores of the tourists in 2025. And the international tourist arrival, the registered, is a 10% increase. Those numbers tells us about the world continue to choose a Goa. Now, the next question is important. Can Goa become the place where the people choose to stay longer, the work longer, and build something meaningful? The answer is yes. The younger generation today, the Gen Z looks at a career through the completely fresh lens. They refuse to be a typical office setup, and they want the flexibility, it is a mental peace and environmental that sparks creativity. That opens the huge opportunity for the Goa. And we are creating the foundation for Goa become the India's preferred the work from home destination and work from beach, where the people can work with a beautiful view. The government is putting the system in place because the talent should find the opportunity here itself. Under the inspiration of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the Startup India initiatives, the Goa is actively building the startup ecosystem. Today, under the Startup Goa, the 34 startups have already been registered and more than 4.10 crores, the financial assistance has been extended. These numbers will continue to increase the Goa startup story and still is the beginning. Support also goes beyond the funding. Through our co-working space, the incubator, accelerator subsidy schemes, entrepreneurs receiving the assistance that helps the creating the working space into the innovation ecosystem. For those planning to start the business, the EDC and EDII is a platform or should be here to help the young people to understand the entrepreneurship and business skills. Our efforts is also ensure that the Goan youth become the active participant in this changing economy. Under the Chief Minister Rozgar Yojana, the support is being extended for both the new and existing business through the loan itself with a 2% annual rate of interest. This scheme has helped the many young people to move from the job seeker to job creator. Now that Goa is putting together the startup infrastructure, in next big success stories can come from here itself. And one day, and I want the people to proudly say that some of the India's most successful startups is started from Goa. Today, during this ceremony, and we have honored the local youth trained in the advanced 3D printing and drone technology, along with the women leaders for the Mahila Sashaktikarana. So congratulations for all of them. This is a goal of my government, and to give our local boys and girls the technical and business skills they needed to secure the future. Our government will continue to create a system supporting ideas and help the young people to move ahead. As we move towards the goal of the Swayambhurna Goa initiatives, like this will play the important role in shaping the new opportunities for the next generation. I once again congratulations for my IT department and IT ministers. I wish every participant and all the best wishes for them for the productive experience. परत एकदा समेस्त गोंयकारांक येवकार दिता आसतना बाप्पेले याने म्हटला त्या प्रमाणे एवरी डे इज अ गुड डे एंड एवरी मॉर्निंग इज अ गुड मॉर्निंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू एंड द लायफ इन गोवा इज अ ब्युटिफूल. समेस्त गोंयकारांक सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता गोवा शॅकॅथॉन 2026 हे म्हाका दिसता गोंयांतल्या जेन झी खातीर आसा. खुबश्यो व्हडल्योश्यो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज ज्यो आज पर्यंत म्हटल्या की आमी समेस्त गोंयकारांनी म्हणजे बिचार बिझनेस कसो करचो हो आमकां सगळ्या जाणांक खबर आहा. नुस्तें काडी पासून ते नुस्तें विकी पर्यंत आमी जें म्हणटा आनी त्याच खातीर तो नव्या स्टायलीन कन्वर्ट करता आसतना झेन झी आमचे फक्त नुस्त्याचो बिझनेस न्ही तर आयटीचोय बिझनेस बिचा वयल्यान करूं शकता हें दाखोवपा खातीर म्हाका दिसता झेन झी हे बिचार येवप गरजेचें आसा. आनी ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी झेन झीक एवेलेबल करून दिल्या बद्दल हांव खरोखरच म्हणजे मनापासून आमी जाता तितके बेगीन ही सुरवात आसा जी आमी कोलवा बिचा वयल्यान आत्ताची सुरवात केल्या जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडी करून आमच्या ग्लोबल आनी ताच्या बरोबर समेस्त गोंयकारांक प्रिफरन्स दिता आसतना उरलेल्या बिचांचेर अशाच पद्दतीची फॅसिलिटीज ही पर्मनंटली म्हाका मायकल आतांच उलयतालो की आमकां जाता तितके बेगीन इंटरनेट फॅसिलिटीज ह्यो बिचाचेर एवेलेबल करून दिवपाक जाय. IT मिनिस्टर इनिशिएटिव्स घेवन ह्यो फॅसिलिटीज म्हणजे जाका म्हणटा आमी बेजीक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे आमकां एवेलेबल करपाक जाय ते बेजीक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अलॉंग विथ द शॅक ओनर्स हांच्या बरोबर मेळून आमी एवेलेबल करतले. आनी थोड्या दिसाच्या भितर आमकां पयलीं फक्त टुरिस्ट बिचार दिसतले आनी थोड्या दिसाच्या भितर आमकां इनोवेटर्स क्रिएटर्स हे सगळे बिचाचेर पुराय दिसतले जांच्या बरोबर म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा बियर फिश अँड लॅपटॉप टू वर्क फ्रॉम गोवा वर्क फ्रॉम बीच हीच आयडिया आज इम्प्लिमेंट करपा खातीर शॅकॅथॉन 2026 ही आमी लॉन्च करता आसतना म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता. म्हणून हांवें म्हटलां नुस्त्याच्या बिझनेसा पासून IT बिझनेसा पर्यंत आमी बिचा वयल्यान हाची सुरवात करता. वन्स अगेन हांव गोंयकारांच्या सयत समेस्त जे इन्वेस्टर्स क्रिएटर्स आनी स्पेशली द नॅशनल प्रेस मिडिया वन हू हॅज कम हियर आय एम वेलकमिंग यू फॉर द शॅकॅथॉन 2026.
Wow. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. And in the words of Gen Z, he absolutely slayed us with his address. Thank you very much, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Pramod Sawant. And yes, from a land of where there were hippies on the beach, why not? We will have incubators and, of course, IT professionals. Thank you very much. At this very moment, I call upon the director, Shri Kabir Shirgaonkar, to kindly felicitate all our dignitaries with a quick memento given to each one of them. Starting off, Director Sir Kabir, I'd like you to please felicitate our Honorable Chief Minister. Thank you very much, sir, for spearheading this to our Honorable Chief Minister. Thank you, Director, sir. At this moment, Kabir, I'd like you to please hand over one to Shri Rohan County as well, please. The gentlemen who are leading the city with their thoughts. And one for Shri Michael Lobo. Thank you very much, sir. And Mr. Santosh Sukadev, IAS Secretary IT. Thank you very much. And as customary it is, Director sir, we have a quick selfie. Can we? No, selfie, just a selfie. I'm going to call it on. So, before we have the vote of thanks being given and a selfie being taken, Mr. Bosco Fernandez, wherever you are, it's a huge, huge thank you going out for allowing us the Valencia venue for this beautiful start of Shakathon. Well, thank you. Well, please do not leave, because we have a very special thank you. Chief Minister, sir, can I request for you to please join us on the dais? Please, while we felicitate Mr. Bosco, the proud owner of Valencia, at a very short notice, he allowed his beautiful venue. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And at this moment, I'd like to call upon, for the vote of thanks, Shri Gaurab Saval, Assistant Director, Department of Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, for our vote of thanks. Snack boxes. I won't announce. I'll go there. Yes. To all our